It is really a great pleasure to see how a visionary leader, our Honorable Chancellor, has thought of creating unique facility for the students in the university system. We have, for the first time in Northeast, any general university having horse riding club. We have this kind of the facilities by some of those organizers who are only associated with school training students, but not for the university students. As has been told, that this facility will add a unique facility as hobby as well as career as one of the sports which can make them, they can excel, particularly when some of them are interested for NDA or any other career. This is one of the requirements where they can excel. Besides that, this facility will also be available to our students who have recently joined. So along with so many other cultural activities which have recently been started through different clubs, through our other academic activities, this will add that how the students can utilize this activity for not only riding for pleasure, but also for learning the techniques. Because this gives a thrilling experience that a weight of 500 kg, the animal who has been trained so nicely, how he can talk with them, how the animal is listening, your language. And in due course of time, some of you may learn how you can use the horse riding for jumping, for running, for lifting the things. That is a unique feature. The experts, the trainers who have come from Hyderabad, Rajasthan and also from Assam will add to the new kind of the culture that with different background, with different their experiences, and also in this serene environment available is a unique topography. Generally, the horse riding is done in a plain area, but it is one of the new kind of the climate, new kind of the physiography where this kind of experience can be held by our students, some of the faculty, and we will be holding that the training part for those students who will be interested in this horse riding. With these few words, I once again congratulate our whole team led by our Honorable Chancellor to create such a unique facility. Because USTM has already created unique facility, as you know, we are having one of the biggest auditorium in whole Northeast. The proposals are coming from different, when our Honorable Governor from Meghalaya, Shri Malik ji visited, he made a very good statement that whatever he has heard, he found much better than that the facilities available in the USTM. So we feel proud that these facilities created will add the value addition in our academic life. And value addition is required to assess the quality of education. The quality of education, not only of having the academic part, but along with the academic, what is our external as well as other extracurricular activities. What are our outreach activities? And as you are aware that USTM has already adopted 10 villages surrounding our university. This gives an opportunity that how we can also make further use of these facilities and take to our students. I am sure that during this process of having new addition of the activities related to enriching our curriculum, enriching our teaching and learning, and also research. This will add a new kind and unique kind of the facility. So once again, thank you very much and all the best wishes to all of you.